Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to explain batch transactions in QuickBooks or QuickBooks Online. Now, the old method is go hover your mouse on create and under other, there's going to be batch transactions here. Now, what they've done is they've kind of like spliced things up into different bits and pieces. So one option that I'm going to show you right now is under add product or service. So once you are here, instead of creating the one product, you can now create product batches or onboard other product batches by clicking here on the upper right corner. It says new product and services. Click on this. You can do batch imports. You can import products by batches if you click on this. And here you're gonna be just clicking everything here. So you're just gonna go product service name, category, item name, SKU, sales description, so on and so forth. And is it buy sell? And you can actually just go through here with this when it comes to auditing, right? So that is one way to do so, because again, if you type in, we go back, right, to the main menu. If we go batch, right, there's nothing here, right? Batch master, right? If you click on that, it's gonna open a new stuff here, which is not what we're looking for. So yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing, that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.